Hello, very good morning to you. A bright start for some of us today, but as we can see on the satellite and radar image, bits and pieces of cloud just bubbling around down to the south of the northwest of England. Other than that, it's a decent day. Lots of sunshine around, fairly light winds, and temperatures will be allowed to reach perhaps 22 Celsius this afternoon. It's feeling pleasant with plenty of sunshine to round off the day. Heading through into this evening, fine and clear at first. Cloud will tend to build a little bit from the west as we head through the night, and certainly before dawn winds will be increasing in strength, also quite gusty by tomorrow, with a band of showery rain nudging into the Isle of Man and Cumbria before dawn. 12 or 13 Celsius, the overnight low, and perhaps a bright start where you are tomorrow, but quickly things will cloud up. Showery rain for northern parts of the region gradually extends across the whole patch through the afternoon. One or two heavy bursts accompanied by gusty winds. A dreary end to the day, it has to be said, and temperature-wise, still doing well, 21 or 22 degrees, but if you factor in that wind, probably not feeling fantastic. Looking ahead and after tomorrow, much more in the way of plain sailing. Friday, Saturday and Sunday will be dry days with decent amounts of sunshine, and temperatures are okay for the time of year. Bye-bye. Thank you. Very good afternoon to you. Nice blue skies for many of us today. Temperatures to 21 degrees and winds are falling light. As we head through into this evening, plenty of fine weather to end the day before cloud builds from the west into the early hours of tomorrow morning and winds increase in strength. Rain will be pushing into the Isle of Man and Cumbria before dawn, with cloud amounts building for all of us by tomorrow morning. 11 or 12 Celsius tonight, so by no means chilly. And during tomorrow, that rain across the north gradually extends across most of the northwest through the afternoon. It's damp and quite windy tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. See you again. Bye-bye. And we have a little blip in the weather tomorrow before we see more skies like this into this weekend. I'll have the forecast later on. Thank you. A very good evening to you. Some nice bright fine weather around today. After a chilly night last night, we saw some misty conditions this morning. It's not going to be quite as cool tonight. And during the day tomorrow, rain will be moving in across our part of the world, accompanied by gusty winds, after which more settled weather sets in for this weekend. This is tomorrow's frontal system pushing in from the west, increasing cloud amounts through the morning, bringing a spell of rain to most of us through the afternoon, accompanied by those gusty winds, but clearing through to largely fine conditions for Friday, Saturday and Sunday as well. Back to this evening, a nice end to the day. Winds are light, but they'll pick up just a touch for western fringes as we approach dawn. Cloud building there, but for many places starting clear at least. And temperature-wise, last night dipped down to single figures, but staying comfortably at around 12 or 13 Celsius in rural spots tonight. You'll notice that cloud beginning to build through the night. Rain moving into the Isle of Man and Cumbria before dawn, and some fairly fresh winds picking up for Irish sea coast before tomorrow. Those are the sun times. Up at 10 to 6, setting at 8:39 tomorrow evening. Quite quickly, skies will cloud over tomorrow morning, winds increase in strength, and the rain that's across the north of the region extends to most places through tomorrow afternoon. One or two heavy bursts of rain within that band, lots of cloud around, gusty winds, a dreary old end to the day for most of us. But the air is warm, 21 or 22 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So through tomorrow evening, that rain pushes away. Friday will be a decent day, lots of sunshine around and dry, and that's how it's set to stay this weekend. Bye-bye.